Hello, this is Sourcingyuan from China. For video creator, live streamers, vloggers, and other users who require high-quality audio, a good wireless microphone is essential. So today we're going to test these two products. Okay, now let's open them. You can see that their design are all square and rounded corner. The length and the width are about 4.5 centimeters. The weight is about 50 grams, and while the F13 is a little bit heavier. And on the back, you can see the both of these models have clips. The clips, so you can clip it on your collar. Next, let's take a look at the receiver. For K12, it only has one for Type-C. But for F13, it supports both Type-C and the Lightning. And their maximum transformation distance are both 20 meters without obstacles. Now, let's test K12. Let me plug it in and test the audio quality and how they behave in case of noise. Now, this is the voice from K12. Next, I will create some noise. And you can hear that. Okay, next I will switch to F13. You can listen to the difference. And this is the voice from F13. You can feel the difference. The fur on the surface effectively absorbs the wind noise, making it sound smoother. The battery capacity of both devices is 300 mAh, and it takes about 1 hour to fully charge. Can be used continuously for 10 to 15 hours. About the price, the whole set of K12 is about 115 RMB. It's about 16 USD. And the whole set of F13 is about 80 RMB, about 11 US dollar. And that's all for today's video. Which one would you choose? If this video can help you, please subscribe and give me a like. We are Sourcingyuan. Thanks for watching.